Hi, this is HaydenAhn, and today we're doing first grade lesson 15 math. Alright, let's start. First, which number is missing? Find the missing number in each problem. Remember the addition and subtraction facts. So let's just get straight into first question. 7 plus 5 is equal to, so because the missing number is just the answer, we just have to add these two together. So we can just do 7 plus 5, which is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 would be the answer for number 1. Let's do number 5. So for this one, the missing number is in the middle. So 5 plus missing number is equal to 13. And knowing our addition and subtraction rules, we know that in order to solve this, we can just do 13 minus 5. And whatever the answer is going to be the same as the missing number. So we can just do 13 minus 5 by counting backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 8 is the missing number. Let's do a subtraction one, number 13. So 12 minus missing number is equal to 4. Again, in order to find this, we can use the opposite. So we will be doing 4 plus, sorry about that. Actually, for this one, I read the question wrong, that's my bad. In order to find this one, 12 minus something is equal to 4. That technically means 12 minus 4 is equal to something, and that would equal the same thing as the missing number. So in order to do that, we can just count backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get 11, 10, 9, 8. So 8 again is the missing number. Again, this makes sense because 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, and 12 minus 4 is equal to 8, and 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Let's just do one more. Let's do number 16. 5 plus missing number is equal to 11. So for this one, again, just like number 5, where if there is a missing number in the middle of an addition problem, you would do the opposite, which is subtract. So it would be 11 minus 5 is equal to the missing number. So we can just count backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and get 10, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is our answer. Alright, moving on, we'll be doing addition facts 15 to 18. So we can write a number sentence about the pictures. So this is just like the example problem here. Basically, this first line is the same as this first section right here. Obviously, the plus sign matches the plus sign, and then this second number would basically be this, and then this total right here is basically just all the drawings here added together. So that looks a little confusing, so let's go over an example problem to do this together. So number 1, so like we said, first of all we can just mark plus sign and plus sign, and then let's color code it. So this first line right here is basically this. So if we count, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first number right here would be 7. And then again, for color coding, the second line right here would be this group. So if we count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is, or for the second line is 8. And then, like we said, this last line is basically just all of this counted together. So we can just do 7 plus 8, which is, we can count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer would be 15. We'll do one more. Let's do number 4. Again, we can color code again. So green would go with this first section of shirts, which is 1, 2, 3. You can't really see that well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if you count, there are 9 shirts in front of the plus sign. And then the second line would be the group of shirts right here after the plus sign, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the second line number is 7. And again, this last line after the equal sign is just all of these shirts counted up together, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer to number 4 is 16. Alright, moving on, let's do money word problems. Read and solve the word problem. So this is just basically word problems that have money in it. So let's just do number 1. Alex has 9 pennies. He gave away 4 pennies. How many pennies does he have now? A crucial hint here is we have to look for these clues that tell us what sign to use. And in this case, gave away means minus, subtracting. So the bigger number goes on top. He starts off with 9 pennies, right? He gave away, he subtracts 4 pennies. And how many pennies does he have left? So we can just subtract 9 minus 4, and that answer to that is 5. There are only 3 questions, but let's do one more. Let's just do number 2. So Jack has 3 nickels, Bill has 6 nickels. How many nickels are there in all? Again, the indicating word here for the sign is bolded for you actually. It's in all, and that word actually means addition. So if we do the problem, we can do first number is 3, and then Bill has 6, and because it's an in all question, we will be adding 6, and 3 plus 6 is, you guys can figure the answer out. Let's try. Alright, money word problems continued. Look at the pictures above to find out how much each toy costs. Then read and solve the word problems. The first one is done for you. Lisa bought. So if we look at this example real quick, right here, Lisa bought this. I think it's a bag of marbles, and a jump rope. I would think this is a jump rope and this is a bag of marbles. How much did she spend? So because it's an and question right here, that means it is going to be addition, right? So if we look up at this picture up here, we can see that this bag of marbles is 4 cents, and this jump rope right here is 5 cents. Here, let me change the highlighter color. 5 cents. So as you can see in the example, we put 4 cents and 5 cents. Here, I'll color code it again. 4 cents, 5 cents, and 4 cents, which ultimately lead to the answer. So let's just do one together. Oops. Let's do number 3. Tyler had a certain amount of coins. He bought a kite. How much did he have left? So first thing we should mark is the left. Obviously that means we are going to be subtracting. So actually we can write in our little circle here minus, because we know that we will be subtracting. So now in order to find the original amount of money, we have to count up the amount of coins right here. And we know that these brown ones right here are pennies, and pennies are 1 cent. So that means he has 4 of 1 cents. And this right here, this silver one, is called a dime, and these are 10 cents. So if we add up 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 14 cents. So that becomes our top number. So 14 cents. And then he bought a kite. The kite is, if we go up to the list, the kite is right here, 6 cents. So that means we just have to do minus 6 cents. And then we do the math. So if we go 14, and we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So the answer is 8 cents. And that is the end of this video. Thank you.